Do you know there are over 26 million software engineers worldwide, and yet most people have no idea what they actually do? If you think it's just sitting at a computer typing all day, you are in for a big surprise. Let's dive into the real world of software engineering. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the fascinating world of software engineering. Whether you are considering a career in tech or just curious, by the end of this video, you will know what software engineers really do, how they work, and what their role is so important in shaping our world. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the fascinating world of software engineering. Whether you are considering a career in tech or just curious, by the end of this video, you will know what software engineers really do, how they work, and why their role is so important in shaping our world. Most people think software engineers just write code all day. While coding is a big part of the job, it is far from the whole story. They solve problems, design systems, and collaborate with teams to build things we all use every day. For example, apps, websites, even the software in your car. But here is the challenge: software engineers work in a world that is constantly changing. New tools, frameworks, and technologies emerging all the time. So, their job is not just about coding, it is about learning, adapting, and solving complex problems. Before writing any code, software engineers start with understanding the problem they are solving. Let's say they are building an app to order groceries. They need to figure out what features the app should have, how users will interact with it, and what challenges they might face, like handling many users at once. Understanding the problem is like drawing a map before a road trip. You need to know where you are going before you start. Once the problem is clear, the next step is designing the solution. This involves deciding how the app will work behind the scenes. For example, what database will store user data, how will the app handle payments securely, what happens if too many people use the app at once. Think of it like designing a building. You need a blueprint before you start construction. Now comes the part most people associate with software engineering: coding. Engineers write the instructions that tell a computer what to do. This includes writing front end code for what users see, writing back end code for how the app works, connecting it all the databases and servers. But here is the thing: writing code is not just about making it work, it is about making it efficient, secure, and easy for other engineers to understand. Once the code is written, it is time to test it. Engineers check if the app works as expected and fix any bugs, errors in the code that cause problems. This can involve automated tests to catch common issues, manual testing to see how the app feels to users, debugging tools to track down tricky problems. Testing is like proofreading a book before publishing it. You want to catch all the errors before anyone else sees them. Finally, engineers deploy the app, which means making it available for people to use. This often involves setting up servers, monitoring performance, and fixing any issue that come up after launch. But the work does not end here. Engineers continuously update the app, add new features, and keep everything running smoothly. Here is the big takeaway: the most important skill for a software engineer is not coding, it is problem solving. Engineers solve complex problems every day, whether it is fixing a bug, designing a new feature, or improving performance. If you love solving puzzles and thinking creatively, software engineering might be the perfect career for you. Let's talk about the technical skills engineers need. First, programming languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript. Second, understanding databases to store and retrieve data. Third, knowledge of tools like Git for version control. Fourth, familiarity with cloud platforms like AWS. Surprisingly, soft skills are just as important. Engineers need to. First, communicate ideas clearly, especially with the non technical teams. Second, collaborate with others to solve problems. Third, stay curious and keep learning because tech is always changing. Software engineers play a huge role in shaping the world. They create the apps we use daily, like Instagram and YouTube. They build tools for doctors, engineers, teachers, scientists, and they even help solve global problems like climate change with technology. Without engineers, none of this would be possible. If you are inspired to become a software engineer, here is where to start. Number one, learn a programming language like Python, Java, JavaScript, or any other. Second, build small projects to practice your skills. Third, take online courses or join a bootcamp. Fourth, apply for internships to get real world experience. To sum it up, software engineers do much more than just write code. They solve problems, design systems, and build the tools that power our world. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tech insights. And let me know in the comments what is your favorite software tool or app. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.